Alright guys, here with Carson.
What's up?
Carson,
Yes.
what has happened with your truck?
Well, long travel in the front now.
Long travel in the front. And you got some fiberglass fenders? Who are these from?
McNeil 6-inch flares.
How much rise?
3.5.
Nice. So tell us a little bit about what you got going on, your arms and the shocks. And
So pretty much we just used the stock upper and lower and cut them and extended them 5 inches. Then got a new Fox 2.5 by 10 with a 600-pound spring. And it rides pretty good.
gang. Let's check it out from this angle too.
Pretty sweet.
And then you utilize that stock coil bucket thing,
Yeah,
huh?
just cut it out and put some mounts on it.
Looks pretty good. How much travel are you pulling?
About 16 inches.
16?
Yeah.
Same thing on the other side. Might as well check it out though. This one's tucked up a little bit more.
Still need to make some bump mounts and put the bumps on, but for now it's fine.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Yeah. Back coming soon.
So what are you doing for the back?
Just like a spring under setup with like a 16-inch shock and a bed cage.
And how much travel are you gonna pull in the back?
I don't know, hopefully close to what the front does so I can keep up the front.
Nice. Alright, we're gonna get some clips of this thing working so you guys can see what the suspension does.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, so we're at the little location that we come to just test our trucks out sometimes and hit a couple bumps just to mess around during the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and film Carson coming across with his home-built 5-inch extended Toyota Tacoma. I think it's a 2nd gen full long travel kit. So yeah, here it comes. Carson's taking us for a little in-car so you guys can see kind of what it does from the view of inside the car. And then maybe I'll rip my truck around a little bit and throw that in there.
Yeah, solid.
How's it looking?
All the bolts still there.
Yeah?
Nothing came loose.
Alright, put on my seatbelt.
Like the first testing, really.
Alright, let's see it. There's a bunch of random crap back here now.
I know, right? All the people trash.
I know. Can never keep anything clean. Would you go across to the other side?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, big bump right here. Feels pretty good.
Yeah.
Feels nice and smooth for sure.
The dirt's really soft. It slides really good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dang. Feels good.
You're gonna slow first, see the road spike.
Yeah, just make sure there's no people trying to get us again. there by that like thing that switches the tracks. A lot of bushes now.
Yeah. Been a while since I'm back here.
Yeah. That felt good.
Yeah, it did. Can I go to the other side?
Sure. It only grows when we don't drive.
Yeah.
Like where our tires don't hit. Bunch of little foam things. Watch out for that big rock.
It's so easy to run over those bushes.
Oh yeah. They're so soft.
No, really soft.
Would you try to go over the railroad tracks?
I don't know if it's worth getting stuck.
Yeah, that's true. See if you can jump that thing a little bit. You think it's not steep enough?
I don't know if it's pretty steep.
Not quite.
Alright. Hopefully it's not overgrown too much. Rocks.
You said the Tundra thing is 3 inches wider per side,
Yeah.
so it's like 6 inches longer total.
Yeah, can we get this?
I don't know.
It's a little overgrown now.
It is a little overgrown. See if you can go one wheel on the train tracks and one wheel on the dirt. around the rocks.
I don't like the rocks though.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Bug inside?
Well, isn't that the trail right there?
Yeah.
Just like go down the dip.
Yeah.
Nice. Remember when it used to bottom out all the time?
Yeah.
It's crazy feeling a difference.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, jump it.